Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll explain to you guys how you can get Temu credits, so let's get right into it. I'm using the temuapp.org article for this, so check it out if you have any other questions. So, there are 6 ways that you can get credits. The first is logging in. If you visit it daily, you can see if you are eligible to get some credits for a daily reward. If you could log in and a gift box appear on the screen, you might be sent a credit reward of 2 cents or more by clicking on the gift box. Other than that, you might get rewards by participating in games. There are a couple of games such as Farmland and Fishland. I'm sure that those are the names. Yes, they are. And then just by playing it, you might get rewards or prizes through it. I would not recommend this way since this basically incentivizes you to spend money on Temu. So just ignore them for the most part. Most people don't earn anything at all. So that is just a warning. Other than that, just take advantage of promotions. Whenever a promotion comes up, you might be able to spin a prize wheel and receive credit offers which you can use toward future purchases. Other than that, referring new users will help you gain credits by selecting earn credits and free gifts. Then click refer and earn and complete the games to receive your eligible credit amount. And once you have enough credit, the eligible amount is between $1 and $100. Then share your link with friends, and Temu will prompt you to share your referral link through SMS, social media, and email. Then spin your credit prize, and for each new user signed up, get a free spin that can guarantee a credit prize. Other than that, you can return items as well, which will also help you earn credits, and late deliveries will also compensate you for being late. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.